Welcome to the Move Call AI Deep Dive. Today, we're unpacking a game changer, AI at the edge for predictive logistics and the autonomous future of physical goods movement. Mark, this isn't just theory anymore, is it?
The hype is real, Sarah, but I'm still weighing the practical ROI. AI at the edge sounds buzzworthy. Break it down for our listeners.
Absolutely. Imagine AI processing data right where it's collected, on a delivery truck, within a smart warehouse, or a sensor on a pallet. No central cloud needed for every single decision.
So faster decisions, less latency?
Precisely. Think about real-time route optimization, predicting vehicle maintenance needs before a breakdown occurs, or even dynamic inventory management.
Predictive maintenance. Now that has clear cost-saving potential. Truck stops are expensive.
Huge. It shifts from reactive repairs to proactive scheduling, minimizing downtime and maximizing asset utilization.
And for logistics companies, this means more efficient fuel consumption, less wasted time, better planning.
Exactly. Edge AI empowers autonomous operations. Self-driving forklifts in warehouses, drone inventory checks, even semi-autonomous delivery vehicles navigating complex urban environments.
Autonomous delivery. That still feels a bit Jetsons to me. How does this integrate with, say, a traditional moving company?
It's incremental. Consider AI at the edge improving load balancing, suggesting optimal packing strategies, or even predicting demand spikes based on local data.
So preventing overbooked trucks or underutilized crews?
Exactly. This leads to more accurate quotes and streamlined scheduling, a significant uplift for customer satisfaction and operational efficiency.
Okay, I'm seeing the appeal. Data-driven decisions right there in the field.
It transforms operations. By integrating this intelligence, businesses gained unprecedented agility.
What about the security implications of all that decentralized data processing?
That's a valid concern, and robust encryption and secure protocols are paramount. Edge devices are designed with security in mind.
So companies investing in this infrastructure now are future-proofing?
Absolutely. They're building a foundation for truly autonomous logistics, reducing human error and optimizing resource allocation.
Higher margins, better service. That's the bottom line.
Precisely. And it's how companies can move call to elevate their entire service delivery, ensuring 24/7 responsiveness and seamless operations.
So from predicting traffic snarls to optimizing pallet placement, AI at the edge is the invisible hand guiding the future of goods movement.
It certainly is, Mark. A thrilling time for logistics. Thanks for joining us on this AI Deep Dive.
Fascinating discussion, Sarah. Till next time.